Welcome to the Warriors Haven podcast, the place where discipline meets purpose and everyday people become unstoppable. I'm your host, Jaisha Sutherland, a retired Army drill sergeant, single mom, and the founder of the Warriors Haven. Around here, we talk fitness, mindset, and the mission of building a stronger you, mentally, physically, and financially. Because this isn't just about the gym. It's about life, leadership, and living on your terms. So gear up, lock in, and let's step into the haven where warriors are made. Hi friends, welcome back to the Warriors Haven podcast. The place where discipline meets compassion, where you finally get the truth about your body, your energy, and your healing. Minus the fluff. I'm Coach Jay. Today, we're talking about something that so many people feel, but almost no one names out loud. There's a point where the body whispers, "I'm tired." Then it speaks, "I'm overwhelmed." And then finally, it screams. And that's the moment we call a plateau. But what if your plateau isn't about laziness? What if it's not about falling off? What if it's your body doing the only thing it knows how to do? Protect you. Let's dive into it. You've powered through heartbreak. You've powered through bills that scared you, deadlines that have suffocated you, loneliness that made you question your worth, motherhood or fatherhood that stretched you, a career that's drained you, people leaning on you when you were barely holding yourself up. You didn't crumble. You kept going. But here's the truth no one told you. Your body didn't break. It broke down because you never got to. You've been carrying emotional weight heavier than anything you ever lifted in the gym. You've been living in survival mode, sprinting through days that required healing, rest, and breathing. But life didn't give you the space to breathe. And when the world keeps piling on, when expectations keep demanding more, your body eventually says, if she won't stop, if he won't stop, I have to. Let me explain what this looks like underneath the hood, because people need to stop calling themselves broken. When you undereat, when you overstress, when you overtrain or overwork or overstretch yourself emotionally, your metabolism doesn't see that as a fitness journey. It sees it as a threat. It flips from optimization into survival mode. Here's what that means. Your thyroid slows down. It's trying to conserve every ounce of energy because it thinks you're in danger. Fat burning shuts off. Your body starts holding on to fat because fat is stored energy. And it doesn't trust that more is coming. Muscle recovery stops. You're exhausted. You're sore. You're dragging because the body no longer prioritizes rebuilding. Your cortisol stays high. This steals energy from your cells, disrupts hormones, increases cravings, and kills motivation. And suddenly, no matter what you do, the scale doesn't move, the clothes don't fit different, your energy doesn't rise, workouts feel harder instead of easier, not because you're doing something wrong, but because your physiology stepped in to protect you. Listen to me carefully. Your plateau is not failure. Your plateau is a trauma response. It's your nervous system saying, I can't take one more hit without support. It's your body fighting you for you, not against you. You didn't fall off. You didn't quit. Your biology adapted to the environment you were forced to survive in. And if no one has ever told you this before, I am so proud of you for surviving. But now it's time to shift from surviving to healing. Because when your body feels safe again, when your metabolism has fuel, when your hormones can regulate, when your nervous system can breathe, the weight starts moving. Your energy comes back. The cravings stabilize. The workouts feel possible again. This isn't about willpower. It's about restoration. So, Jay, what does this all mean? It means you're not the problem. Your biology never failed you. It protected you. You're not plateauing because you're unmotivated. You're plateauing because your body has been in a constant state of defense. And until you rebuild the foundation, until you give your metabolism safety, nourishment, structure, and consistency, you're going to keep running in circles. But the good news? Circles can be broken. Patterns can be rewired. Energy can be rebuilt. You just need the roadmap. So here's what I want you to do next. I want you to start with taking my free wellness quiz at thewarriorshaven.com. It's going to show you exactly which system is shutting down and why your energy, weight loss, and motivation feel stuck. Then I want you to join me inside a 7-day free trial. 7 days, just 1 week. We reset your metabolism the right way. You get your eating for energy. We regulate your hormones. We rebuild your foundation safely, sustainable, and with support. You don't have to guess anymore. You don't have to fight your body anymore. You don't have to do this alone anymore. Your body shut down because life never gave you space to breathe. Let this be the moment you finally inhale. So again, head over to thewarriorshaven.com, take the free wellness quiz, jump on that free 7-day free trial, lock arms, enter the Warriors Haven Academy. And until next time, friends, stay strong, stay focused, stay ready. Hi, friend. Thanks for tuning into the Warriors Haven podcast, where we turn discipline into freedom and help you build the body, mindset, and lifestyle you deserve. If today's episode fired you up or gave you just that little push you needed, don't stop here. Head on over to thewarriorshaven.com, where you'll find details on how to jumpstart the next version of you. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about showing up for yourself every single day. So until next time, stay strong, stay focused, and stay ready. I'm Jaisha Sutherland, and you're listening to the Warriors Haven podcast. It's Jay, your favorite drill sergeant. Before you go, I want to leave you with one final thought. Knowledge is powerful, but knowledge without action changes nothing. If today's conversation helped you better understand how your brain works and gave you hope that real change is possible, then I'd love to invite you to take the next steps with us inside the Warriors Haven Inner Circle on School. It's a community built for people who are ready to stop living on autopilot and start building a life rooted in discipline, resilience, and intentional growth. Every week, You'll find practical coaching, mindset training, neuroscience-backed strategies, accountability, and a community of people committed to becoming stronger together, one decision at a time. Again, you can find the Warriors Haven Inner Circle on school.com. That's SKOOL.com. And if this episode resonated with you, I'm excited to share that my first book, The Warriors Haven Edge, is scheduled to release later this year. It's everything I've learned from the military, neuroscience, leadership, and coaching combined into a practical framework to help you rebuild your identity, reclaim your energy, and create lasting change from the inside out. You can join the exclusive book waitlist today at thewarriorshavenbook.com and be among the first to receive updates, exclusive content, and launch announcements. Again, that waitlist can be found at thewarriorshavenbook.com. Thank you for spending part of your day with us. If this episode encouraged you, challenged your thinking, or helped you see yourself differently, please share it with someone who needs to hear it. Your support helps us reach more people who are searching for hope, clarity, and a path forward. Until next time, stay disciplined, stay curious, and never settle for the person you were yesterday. Your next chapter starts with the decision you make today. Until next time, stay strong, stay focused, stay ready. I'll catch you on the next episode.